My name is Heather Hyman, owner of ElizabethTownFamily.com. My goal is to have you be able to find things to do in Hardin County, Kentucky that are family friendly, fun, places to go, things to eat, places to shop, and just ways to get connected and plugged in with the community. If you're a business owner, we'd love for you to know that thousands of people come to our website every single week in order to find ways to get connected for their family. So it's a wonderful resource if you are looking to grow your business and find people here in Hardin County, Kentucky that would be able to benefit from the services and products that you offer. I'm just a mom who loves being able to take what I love to do, which is organize information and connect people and have a resource for people. So, this is Fulton making his debut on one of our first ElizabethTownFamily.com videos. We hope you come back and be on the tune to find that we'll have many more to come. Thank you so much. You want to say goodbye?
Goodbye. No.
No. See ya.